Okay. Good morning. Today we discuss about measurement of solar radiation. Okay, measurement of solar radiation. Okay, measurement of solar radiation. Okay. First one, solar radiation data are measured mainly by the following instrument. First one, pyranometer. Pyranometer. Another one is the pyrheliometer. Pyrheliometer. Another one is the sunshine recorder. Sunshine recorder. Okay, these are the three instruments. Okay, solar radiation data are measured mainly by the following instrument. First one we discuss about pyranometer. Okay, pyranometer. Pyranometer, a precision pyranometer is designed to respond to radiation of all wavelength. Okay, to respond to radiation, to respond to respond to radiation of all wavelength. Of all wavelength, to respond the radiation of all wavelength. Okay, so that is the precision pyranometer, and hence measure accurately the total power in the incident spectrum. Okay, it contains a thermopile whose sensitive surface consists of circular blackened hot junctions, okay, exposed to the sun, and the cold junction is being completely shaded. Okay, if you draw the instrument looks like this. Instrument look like this, and inner one like that, like this. Okay, pyranometer in the laboratory. Okay, okay, pyranometer in the laboratory. So the first one, the sensing element is covered by two concentric hemispherical glass domes to shield it from wind and rain. So the first one, the temperature difference between the hot and cold junction is the function of radiation falling on the sensitive surface. The sensing element is covered by two concentric hemispherical glass. Okay, sensing element is covered by two concentric hemispherical glass domes. Two concentric means same center. Hemispherical glass domes. Okay, to shield it from wind and rain. This also reduces the convection currents. A radiation shield surrounding the outer dome and coplanar with the sensing element prevents direct solar radiation from hitting the base of the instrument. Okay. Okay. Another one thing is the pyroheliometer. 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 Okay. Pyroheliometer. The drawing looks like this. If you draw, okay, some inclination is there. Some inclination is there. Okay, তাহলে that is one. তাহলে first one is that is the pivoted on two axes. There is one pivot, there is one pivot. Pivoted. Here also pivoted. Okay, pivoted. That is the sensing element. Sensing element here. Sensing. That is the sensing element. Okay, sensing element. Another one is the diaphragm. Another, this is the sun ray and wrong collimator tube. Okay, that one is the diaphragm. Okay, diaphragm. Acha, that one is the diaphragm. Another one is the long collimator tube. Okay, long collimator tube. Okay, long collimator tube. Okay, and sun ray. So the normal incident pyranometer uses a long collimator tube to collect beam radiation. Okay, long collimator tube. Long collimator tube. Okay, now long collimator tube to collect beam radiation. To collect beam radiation. Okay, to collect beam radiation whose field of view is limited to the solid angle of 5.5 degree by appropriate diaphragm inside the tube. Okay, at the base of the tube a wire wound thermopile having sensitivity. Okay, base of the tube, okay, a wire wound thermopile having a sensitivity of 8 okay mu v by w by meter square. Okay, mu v by w by meter square, and output impedance approximately 200 ohm. The tube is sealed with dry air to eliminate absorption of beam radiation within the tube by water vapor. A tracker is needed if continuous reading are desired. Okay, a tracker is needed if continuous reading is desired. Okay. Therefore, the next one is the sunshine recorder. Sunshine recorder. Sunshine recorder. Sunshine recorder. Sunshine recorder. Sunshine recorder. First one, you draw the diagram. If you draw, okay, this one like that, okay, okay, this looks like this one, okay. There are two arrangement, one here, another one there. Sunshine recorder, so that is the spherical lens. Outer one, that is the spherical lens. Spherical lens. Another one is the spherical bowl section. That is the spherical bowl section. Spherical bowl section. Okay. Spherical bowl section. This is the horizontal one, horizontal platform. Okay. Horizontal platform. Horizontal platform. Okay. So the instrument measures the duration in hours of bright sunshine during the course of day. Measures the duration in hours. Measures the duration of hours. Duration of hours of bright sunshine during the bright sunshine, okay, bright sunshine during the course of a day. Okay, course of a day. It essentially consists of a glass sphere about 10 cm in diameter. Okay, glass sphere about 10 cm in diameter. Glass sphere about 10 cm in diameter. Okay, about 10 cm in diameter, mounted on its axis parallel to the earth within a spherical section. Okay, the bowl and glass sphere are arranged in such a way that the sun's rays are focused sharply at a spot on a card held in a groover in the bowl. The card is prepared from a spherical paper bearing a time scale. As the sun moves, the focused bright sunshine burns a path along this paper. Okay. Next one is the solar radiation data. Next one is the solar radiation data. Solar radiation data. Solar radiation data. The radiation data are mostly measured on a horizontal surface. Okay. Another one, first one is the clear day. Another one is the solar radiation. If you draw the graph, x-axis represented by clear day. Okay, clear day. One is the 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Origin is the 6 a.m. That is the 6 p.m. Okay, 6 p.m. এটা হচ্ছে ডিফিউজ, diffuse. Okay, another one is the global. Global. Okay, global. 0, 200, 400, 400, 600, 800. Okay, 800, and that is the solar radiation. Solar radiation. Solar radiation. Okay, that is the solar radiation. Okay, তাহলে solar radiation data global diffused, global diffused. Okay, another one is তাহলে this is the solar radiation data. The radiation data are mostly measured on a horizontal surface. Okay, daily radiant energy is obtained from the area under the corresponding curve. The monthly average of the daily radiation is obtained by averaging over a span of the corresponding month and expressed in kilojoule per meter square. If that is a cloudy day, one is the, this is the diffuse, this is the global. If this one is the cloudy day, this one is the cloudy day. Okay, cloudy day, so 6 am to 6 pm, to 6 pm. Okay, 6 am like this, and another one is the, okay, like this. Okay, তাহলে one is the global, another one is the diffuse. তাহলে this is the diffuse, another one is the global. Okay, one is diffuse, another one is the global, and this is the solar radiation. W by meter square. Okay, and that is the solar time. Solar time. Okay, this is the graph, solar radiation and solar time. Okay, an alternative unit for expressing solar radiation is Langley per unit time. Okay, whereas the Langley is equal to 1 calorie per meter square. 1 Langley is equal to 1 calorie per centimeter square. 1 Langley equal to 1 calorie per centimeter square. Okay, 1 calorie per centimeter square. 1 Langley, that is equal to 1 calorie per centimeter square. Okay, okay. Then our next topic, the solar radiation data as presented. The three ways. One is the kilojoule per meter square second, another one kilojoule meter square hour, kilojoule meter square per day. Okay, the incident solar radiation is also a function of the orientation, okay, of the solar collector from the horizontal. A typical pattern of review irradiation throughout a year. Okay, another one thing is the solar time. Okay, solar time or local occurrence time. Solar time, solar time or local apparent time. solar time or local occurrent time, local occurrent time, apparent time. Okay, so first one, solar time is measured with reference to solar moon, which is the time when the sun is crossing the observer's meridian. Okay, solar time with reference to solar moon. With reference to solar moon, which is the time, which is the time when, which is the time when the sun is crossing the observer's meridian. When the sun is crossing observer's meridian. Okay, sun is crossing observer's meridian. Okay, at solar moon, the sun is at the highest position in the sky. Solar moon, highest position in the sky. The sun traverses each degree of longitude in 4 minutes. Okay, তাহলে at solar moon the sun is the highest position. At solar moon, sun is the highest position. Sun is the highest position in the sky. Okay, sun is the highest position in the sky. Okay, and at solar moon the sun traverses each degree of longitude in 4 minutes. Okay, solar time, standard times plus minus 4 LST plus LIs plus E. Okay, LST and LIs, LST standard longitude for measuring standard time. Okay, and E is the corresponding correction arising out of variation in the length of the solar day due to variation in the earth rotation. Okay, due to variation. Another one is the topic. Okay, so that is the solar time. So solar radiation geometry, very important. Solar radiation geometry. Solar radiation geometry, first one we have to consider latitude declination. Okay, thank you.